Hello everyone, this is Raphael from iCuretech, and today I'm just doing a short video. I'm actually replacing the housing on an iPhone 5. This one was apparently run over by a car, and we are actually changing the housing to red. The customer provided a part, so we're just doing the labor. I just want to show you how many pieces are actually inside the iPhone 5. You have to take everything out to move it over to the new housing. You can see all the screws and individual components. You have to take everything out and place it over here, and the new housing comes with matching buttons and a SIM card slot, and we're also going to put a black button instead of blue, so match with the back glass on this red housing.